Bring me the money, baby. What'd you say you go by?
Peace, I-7.
Boy, I7. Let them see the grill.
Yeah.
That boy got the grill with the blunt, you
Go
heard?
holler at Mexico Grills that got y'all,
Real talk. Get scrapped straight up. Yeah. Damn. Oh, we roasted this motherfucker.
This was back in the day. I remember like 2005, it was like Jim Jones and all that, and I didn't even like them back then. But now it's like they came full circle. Like, I actually want to get them. They're pretty good.
We from the South, man, so we know.
We need a history pick, like,
yeah,
just mostly,
you need some more pictures, bro. Low key.
Real guy, photographer.
Yeah, I was thinking about, recording more footage, just people freestyling and all that, you know what I mean? Get a little documentary going.
That's what I'm working on.
Y'all from Arizona or y'all from somewhere else?
From Alabama. I know about
been out here?
Been out here a couple years, about like since 2012.
How y'all like it out here?
It's like second home now. You know what I'm saying? You from out here?
Yeah, born and raised.
Alright then.
I've been here 33 years.
Straight up. I can dig it.
I always have plans on going, more to the south, on the east coast.
Yeah.
Is Alabama like a city, or it's like rural, or it's like both?
Nah, man. Alabama, well, where we from in Alabama is like 2 hours away from Atlanta. So
should be it, bro.
that's why I like when you hear our sound and like the way we talk and stuff, like.
Yeah, I can hear that southern.
Yeah. But nah, it ain't country. It's country parts. It's a lot of land, you know what I'm saying? But now we city boys, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah. That's what I love. I love the city. I love the metropolis.
Yeah. Real hood shit.
I met only like one person from Alabama. She said like it was racist out there though.
It is.
Like the racial stuff. Like she said she seen like people out there like in KKK stuff.
Yeah.
And she was like people were posted up and like the police were protecting them.
Yeah.
And I was like, what? That would never happen out here in Arizona.
Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. What's this?
Maybe like undercover low key, but they're not gonna rock their uniform and be out here like that because a lot of people are gonna
Check it out, guys.
I never seen that.
That's what we did last night. You could honestly, you could dub it, and that's that. You play, but you could like switch it up. Or you don't even know my story. Oh, you don't even know my story. Like keep it going on something.
Hey, let me get that shirt on your house.
Last
I thought you were down for it. But you were really down for it. Why you talking down on me? You don't even know my story.
You ain't finna kill that bitch. Yeah, that big and nasty right there. Go ahead. Say something.
Yeah, I'm feeling that right there.
No, go. Hey, I wanted to ask y'all, how did y'all come up with that concept?
Fucking, we were just sitting here. Pretty much, we made the beat last night. We made the beat in that what, like an hour something. And then we're just chilling, vibing to it. He was helping me make the beat. Came together. Came with a little melody.
Yeah, and that was
I
it.
just
I was just like, we should just.
That bitch smooth as a motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie.
That's some long-term contract.
I'm looking for a break that I can take. The power that's inside me, I can get. Know that you was down for me, but now you wishing down on me, on me. Know that you was down for me, but now you wishing down. I'm looking for a break that I can take. The power that's inside me, I can get. Know that you was down for me, but now you wishing down on me, on me. Tell me what else I gotta say. Say I can't go nobody, we are not the same. I thought that you were down for me, but now you wishing down on me, on me. I thought you were down for me, but you were really down for me. Why you talking down on me? You don't even know my story. Why you talking down on me? You don't even know my story. Is it the story?
That's cool. It's just like that. Why you talking? Why? I want to kind of say something.
Why you
Everybody
talking
said they
down
made the
on me?
beat last night in
You
an
don't
hour
even
and
know
jumped
my
on that hoe.
story. I thought you were down for me, but you were really down for me. Why you talking down on me? You don't even know my story.
Oh, better right there.
Down for me, but now you wishing down on me, on me. I thought you were down for me, but you were really down for me. that you was down for me, but now you wishing down on me, on me, on me. Say I can't follow my side, me I can't get it. I thought that you was down for me, but
That bit was lame.
I thought that you was.
Yeah, and you ain't even want to. Kind of, sort of. You did a lot of work today, though. Yeah. And that's even better, and you actually completed it.
What you on Facebook?
Let me see what you got going on.
Thought that you was down for me.
Instagram.
Thought that you was down for me.
He reminds me of a younger version of me. That boy working the mic and the buttons at the same time. After he just worked the buttons for somebody else. So yeah, that's how it started.
Thought that you was.
And I went to IGTV and I made a sub channel. I put an episode up.
Down for me, but now you wishing down on.
This is like the perfect location. They got the liquor store right here. Corner store over there.
Yeah. Big ass parking lot.
Y'all need anything from the store?
Yeah, give me water, gun. Feed you.
I got you. Need
You
something?
need the food stamps?
Yeah, what do you want to get?
What you want?
Something to drink.
Well, let me let
What
the
you
man
need to
know.
drink? Something.
I thought that you was down for me. On me, on me.
Probably like a fruit punch or Arizona iced tea.
Arizona fruit punch?
Mm-hmm.
How about you?
Same thing would be cool.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
How about you, my man? You need something in the store?
Oh, yeah, I'll take Arizona.
Arizona, what kind? Fruit punch? Alright.
Yeah.
Fruit bag, y'all.
Alright then.
Alright, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
This thing is 5 minutes.
Down for me. Thought that you was down for me. Now you wanna on me, on me. Now you.
What, you like them pictures or something? Alright, you showed it to me the first time. I thought you were saying somebody was playing with my name or something.
I mean,
Thought that you were down for me.
I know I ain't
Down on me, on me.
already meeting new people and shit. You feel me? I'm still a hood nigga. I have,
Damn.
you know. That's why I said, bro, let me see your face. You look at him, make him take his glasses off. But yeah, that's why I said respect and loyalty. Watch out to my who enter these doors. Who enter these doors better be a respectful and loyal motherfucker.
yeah,
Or they ain't gonna be a motherfucker at all.
that part.
I ain't gonna be Nord though. I know God on our side. And that fight too.
Take. I look down for me, but now you look down on me. I thought that you were down on me. I thought that you was down for me, but now you down on me, on me.
You just reading that part?
Just that, I just pretty much dubbed that up. I feel like it was worth a try. But I couldn't even get it right.